Sinister Deals exposed.
Welcome to the dark underbelly of the financial world, where mergers and acquisitions don't just change companies, they change destinies. In 2024, the M&A landscape is shrouded in mystery and fraught with peril. Let's delve into this eerie domain and uncover the chilling truths behind the deals that shape our world. The haunted context of 2024. The year 2023 left the M&A market in turmoil. Economic uncertainty, rising interest rates, and geopolitical tensions cast long shadows over the financial landscape. As 2024 dawns, whispers of recovery circulate, but beware, the calm might be deceiving. Stabilized interest rates and easing inflation are merely the eye of the storm. The market's volatility is a spectral presence, haunting every transaction. The sinister drivers of M&A activity. Several dark forces are driving M&A activity this year. High levels of dry powder, private equity firms sitting on mountains of capital are poised like vultures, ready to swoop in on distressed companies. This unspent capital is a ticking time bomb, waiting to explode into a frenzy of deals. Strategic growth initiatives. Companies, desperate to escape the specter of stagnation, are using M&A to expand market share, diversify offerings, and penetrate new markets. But every deal is a double-edged sword, promising growth while risking catastrophe. Technological integration. The relentless march of technology, particularly AI and digital transformation, is both a blessing and a curse. Companies acquiring tech firms hope to harness these dark powers, but the cost might be their very soul. The grim focus on certain industries. While M&A activity spans various sectors, some industries are particularly ensnared in the web of deals. Technology. Driven by an insatiable hunger for digital transformation, tech companies are prime targets. But integrating advanced technologies like AI and cloud computing might unleash forces beyond their control. Healthcare. The healthcare sector, amidst its relentless innovation, finds itself a battleground. Consolidation efforts aimed at efficiency might inadvertently awaken dormant threats. Financial services. Banks and financial institutions, merging to enhance their service offerings and expand geographically, are playing a dangerous game. The integration of new technologies could either secure their future or doom them to oblivion. The perilous strategic considerations. In this shadowy landscape, companies are making perilous strategic decisions. Valuation adjustments. As market conditions stabilize, valuations are resetting. This apparent opportunity for buyers might be a siren's call, luring them into disastrous deals. Due diligence. The rise of AI has made due diligence more sophisticated, but also more fraught with danger. Missteps in assessing potential acquisitions could lead to ruin. Balanced growth. Companies are striving for balanced growth strategies, prioritizing both expansion and profitability. Yet, the path to sustainable success is treacherous, lined with pitfalls and unseen threats. Conclusion. As we navigate through 2024, the mergers and acquisitions landscape is a realm of both opportunity and peril. Companies that can harness the dark forces at play might secure unprecedented growth and competitive advantage. But those who falter will be consumed by the shadows. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor and analyze this hauntingly dynamic market. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dark side of finance.